What's up, XRP family? Thank you for joining for the video today. So here we have utoday.com. William Hinman told Ripple that XRP was a security and urged company to halt sales. Now, what we see now, we see stuff from the deposition coming out. Whether it's real or not, we still need some confirmation, but this is definitely happening. So here we have Ripple move to strike William Hinman's testimony from the record. Here we have, during his deposition, the former SEC official claimed that he had warned the San Francisco-based company that it had to put an end to the sales in order to come into compliance. Now, this is not the former deposition of Ripple. This is the deposition that happened on Ethereum. So here he said, frankly, the one I recall the most clearly is probably the one when XRP came in with a person who had my position before me, as well as enforcement counsel. They were interested in, is there a way to restructure what we're doing to bring it within compliance of the securities laws? And the first thing I said to them was, you're continuing to offer XRP without any kind of restrictions that would apply as a securities offering. If you want to come into compliance, you have to stop doing that, and they understood that. The SEC claims that Ripple cannot find evidence of the supposed market confusion that is at the core of the company's fair notice defense. Hinman's hotly contested deposition, part of which has now become public, took place on July 27th after the court made an unorthodox decision to authorize it due to huge public interest in the case. In a recent letter to Magistrate Judge Netburn, the SEC is asking the judge to deny access to regulators' privileged internal and intra-agency communications, claiming that they are not relevant to the aiding and abetting claims. So this is getting very, very interesting, guys. And of course, we know how corrupt the SEC is right now. So William Hinman supposed to be said that they had to stop selling XRP, but that's not a solution. How can a company stop selling its digital assets when it's needed for its technology? So there's a lot of things going on right now. And the problem is they didn't give Ripple a solution. They were just saying that you have to stop selling XRP. That's not a solution. And that's why Ripple was always talking about that they were asking for clarity, which was not there. Here we have the US is still the research phase, so they haven't actually decided if or when they will issue a digital dollar. CoinDesk Global Market Editor and CoinDesk TV anchor Emily D. Parks says they have not committed to doing this. This is bullshit, guys. We very well know that the US is making plans. They have everything planned out, and it's soon to happen. So be ready, because they're gonna use XRP mainstream. They're gonna have maybe a digital dollar or not, but they will have a world reserve currency, which is XRP.
Well, the US is still in the research phase, so they haven't actually decided if or when they will issue a digital dollar. So on the one hand, some caution is warranted. You want to get this right. But on the other hand, you have other countries racing ahead, namely China. At present, you have 81 countries exploring the launch of a digital currency. The US is still very much in the research phase, so they have not committed to doing this.
Emily, I mean, when you talk about the potential timeline here, of course, a lot of people looking to the Olympics next year is the big unveil, if you will, for China's central bank digital currency, at least on a global level. How much of that you think determines the timeline with which the US moves?
It seems that the US has made very clear that they don't want China to dictate the timeline of the issuance of a digital dollar. And to a certain degree, that's merited, because the US wants to get a digital dollar right if it's going to do it at all. It wants to make sure that it has privacy protections, for example. So I don't get the sense that the US is particularly concerned about China's speed. They've actually said that they want to make sure that they do it correctly, but
They will not do it correctly. They will definitely not do it privately. They want to control everything that you are doing with CBDCs. That's just the truth. This is all propaganda, guys. This is bullshit. We know that, because it's coming. They will use a digital dollar or not. They will use some kind of electronic money, but XRP will be the reserve currency and the digital asset that will change the world. Here we have Ben Armstrong, BitBoy. From Glassnode, look at what long-term holders, smart money do. They take profits on the way up and accumulate at lower prices. Retail buys the parabolic run-ups to the top. Smart money buys throughout the bear market to increase their wealth. Do what smart money does. This is what a lot of people cannot do. They just cannot do it. They want to, but they can't. They always, most of the people, they buy at tops at when there is a lot of hype, while other people are looking at utility. So when price goes down and when price is relatively low, they buy more. They do not panic because they just buy more. And that's exactly what you're seeing here. This is lower time frame supply. This is the higher holder supply. And here you can see that all the long-term holders are accumulating down at prices low, and all the short-term holders for watching for quick profits are accumulating on the top of the prices. And that's the difference with making money. Anna Money to offer international banking with Ripple partner Currency Cloud. Another partnership. Anna Money to offer international banking with Currency Cloud. Anna Money, the business account and tax app for small businesses, has announced it is working with Currency Cloud, the expert simplifying business in multi-currency world, to enhance its international banking solution for entrepreneurs and small businesses. And they're gonna use RippleNet. Of course, Currency Cloud announces partnership with Ripple to process cross-border payments on RippleNet. Very easy. This is what's happening, guys. Everyone is going to use it at one point because it's the best technology out there. Ripple partner Kotak Mahindra Bank introduces a DIY digital repayment platform in tie-up with Creditas Solutions. Another one. I'm just reminding you guys of what Ripple is. These things are not new, but you have to understand what's happening right now, because it was all in the play a long time ago, but it's starting to surface right now. A leading bank in India with over 1,300 branches. Who knew this? This was old. This is not new, but who knew this? Who knows this? No one. Everyone thinks that Ripple is just a shitcoin. Well, how can a shitcoin work with a bank with 1,300 branches? That's my question. King, signs all end on the 22nd day of the month. 2020 XRP is king. Everyone says that 22nd August is going to be a huge date. A date to actually go and fly. Ripple Riddler shows us that it's time to take off. It's time to go. JP Morgan launches new real-time payment service. Now, what is that? What is the real-time payment service? I don't think they're going to tell you. Look at this. Currently, that kind of company may have to wait 2 weeks to get paid. A digital payment could happen in less than 30 seconds, he said. One of the first banks to participate, the Clearinghouse Real-Time Payments Network in 2017, JP Morgan processes about 12 million transactions a month. Now, what do you think they're going to use? They're going to use Ripple, guys. Come on, open your eyes. JP Morgan, one of the biggest companies in the world, has launched real-time payments options that it hopes it will increase its edge. This is what's happening right now, guys. And people are still sleeping. January is August. August 22, XRP will be 4 digits. Augustus Caesar died 19. CU 822. Will it be so? We will see. That's just in 4 days. That sounds crazy, but everything is possible within crypto. When proven wrong, the wise man will correct himself, whilst the ignorant will keep arguing. Always know where you stand. When you know that you may have made the right choices and financial decisions, you can relax. That's me in the middle with my besties, the XRP army. When you invest in something and you really believe in it, you will not stress, guys. You will just wait for the right moment. This is a great question. For a preliminary injunction, the SEC must make a substantial showing of the likelihood of success in proving a current violation of the securities law, as well as a substantial showing of a risk of future harm in the absence of such an injunction. Can you answer me one question? Johnny Deaton, if the SEC really believes that, why didn't they even try to get a restraining order as they have in other cases? Now look at this. That quote is from the Telegram case and is the burden of proof the SEC would need to meet if it sought injunctive relief. They knew they could never meet that burden. The true answer to Lirzit's question, so the true answer to this is because the lawsuit was the weapon and not the outcome. Now, how much did Ripple get hurt because of this lawsuit? I don't mean hurt by that it will disappear. I mean hurt because it could already have been 3 digits, easily XRP. But with this lawsuit, they gave themselves more time. It's just a delay. It's just a smoke screen before the takeoff. And people don't realize that. That's what they did. The true answer is because the lawsuit is the weapon and not the outcome. The outcome doesn't matter. Ripple will win. They will settle with some kind of settlement. It's not about that. It's about timing, guys. Don't have money to invest? Stop buying lottery tickets. Buy crypto. Stop buying designer clothes. Buy crypto. Stop buying cars you can't afford. Buy crypto. Stop wasting money at the bar. Buy crypto. Stop wasting your money, guys. Stop doing that. Buy crypto because it's so important now more than ever. You will not regret any crypto that you buy right now. Of course, buy something with utility and not just some meme coin. Dear Hollywood, regarding the SEC versus Ripple movie, I hope you cast the most talented, best looking actors for the Ripple team. You will be guaranteed a worldwide audience if you do. She says that there will come a movie because this is just crazy. We know what's going on, guys. It's just a big show. I really love this tweet from Moonchaser. Here we have MBAgi. Credit Agricole is RippleNet member. Plenty of ties to Ripple on Marco Polo. Credit Agricole confirms Marco Polo membership to start blockchain trade finance network following an evaluation period. Again, Marco Polo is related to Ripple. They are everywhere. And soon you will see, guys. You will see what I'm talking about. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.